So we are going to take a look at problem number 11. And so problem number 11, I'm going to leave 67% alone. And the reason I'm going to leave 67% alone is that's 2/3. So I can very easily find 2/3 of a number as long as the number is going to be a multiple of 3. So I'm going to do 866 and I'm going to round that to 900. That's going to be a big rounding there. And the reason that I did that is I can very easily find 2/3 of 600 or 2/3 of 900, which is going to be 600. If we take a look at number 13, 47% of 78 is going to be 50% of 80, which is going to equal 40. And then 65% of 89, I'm going to go ahead and do 90 here. And I'm going to do 67% again. I'm going to use that 2/3 again. And 67% of 90 is going to be equal to 60. So what I would like for you to do today for your independent practice is you are going to do 6 through 16 even. And I want you to do the work. So I'm looking for here's the estimation that I used, here's my answer. Those are the two things that I'm looking for when I look at your independent practice is can you show me your thinking with your estimation and then can you give me the answer? I don't necessarily need to see the other work. If you want to give it to me, fine. But I do need to see your thinking of here's the estimation that I used, here's the answer that I got. And then on your math practices and problem solving, you are going to do all but 18 because the rest of them are going to be percent problems in word problem form. So again, cannot stress it enough. Please show me your estimation that you used and then give me the answer. Do not just give me the answer, give me that estimation piece.